This is how we like to butcher our turkeys to get the most meat and your feathers to mount. First step is to pluck your bird, but be careful not to grab too much feathers at once as their skin is delicate. Second step, remove the wings by cutting at the joint and breaking with your hands. This can be part of a great mount. To get your fan, simply cut at the tail joint. This can be used as a trophy or even part of a decoy for future hunts. To remove the beard, grip at the base and pull hard. To remove the legs, make a slice on the inside, then using your body weight, break the joints. All that's left is to work your knife through the joints and the top of the thigh. Contrary to some, turkey legs are excellent eating, and we even have some recipes online to show you how to cook them. When it comes to the breast meat, slice along the top, then another slice on the bottom edge of the breast. Now just carefully work from the top down, slicing the meat away from the body, leaving the tenderloin behind. From cutlets to burgers, turkey breast meat is very versatile. Now remove the tenderloin. This cooks great as a cutlet or simply grilled on the barbecue. Now for those more adventurous, there's still lots of good edible bits left over, from the gizzard, liver, and even heart. And there you have it, a fully broken down turkey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video.